Hey guys, how's it going? A buddy of mine came to me saying that he couldn't get rid of his oil change required light that would pop up every time he started his Alfa Romeo Giulia. He claimed that he'd have to take it to a dealership to get rid of this indicator, and me, being the cheap guy I am and wanting to save my buddies some money, wanted to prove him wrong. So without further ado, this is how you do it.
It's John.
And John.
So, what you need to do here is do not turn the car on yet. Just completely off. So, this is an Alfa Romeo 2018 Sport TI model. What this will do is clear the gauge that pops up on your dash right there, saying that it's time to change your oil. This is not for the oil life indicator. So, solely the one that pops up there. What you'll do here is you'll push the accelerator pedal all the way down, and then you will push the brake pedal 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. On the 6th one, hold it for 10 seconds. All right, now release both. Go into accessory mode. This car's freaking space age, so it moves me. Okay, now you're gonna repeat the process. Accelerator pedal down, brake pedal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now hold it for 10 more seconds. All right. Now turn it all the way off. Now, start her up, brake pedal down. Gurgle, gurgle. And look at that, the indicator is gone.
Holy crap, it worked!
This will work for 2018 up to at least 2021. Yeah, thanks for watching, guys. I hope this helps. I've seen a ton of different ways that people are saying that this will work. This one will work for 2017 to 2021. Have a good one, y'all.